Welcome to this tutorial on the Todo function in Kotlin's standard library. The Todo function is a powerful tool for marking incomplete code during development. Think of it as a construction sign for your code base, indicating areas that are still under construction and need to be implemented later. The Todo function is a standard library function provided by Kotlin that throws a NotImplementedError exception. It's specifically designed to mark code as intentionally unimplemented. This function serves as a placeholder during development when you know what needs to be done, but haven't written the implementation yet. Unlike comments, which can be easily overlooked, Todo actually prevents the code from running, ensuring you don't forget to implement critical functionality. The Todo function has two simple forms. The first form takes no parameters and simply throws a NotImplementedError with a default message. The second form accepts a reason parameter of type string, allowing you to provide a custom message explaining why the implementation is missing. Both forms return the nothing type, which we'll explore in more detail shortly. Here are practical examples of using the Todo function. In the first example, we have a process payment function that accepts a double amount and returns a Boolean. Instead of leaving the function body empty, we call Todo with a descriptive message explaining what needs to be implemented. In the second example, the calculate discount function uses Todo without a message. Both approaches are valid, but providing a reason helps other developers and your future self understand what needs to be done. The Todo function has three important characteristics. First, it returns the nothing type, which represents a value that never exists. This means the function never returns normally. Second, when executed, it throws a NotImplementedError exception, immediately halting program execution. Third, because of the nothing return type, Todo can be used in any expression context. The nothing type is a subtype of all types in Kotlin, making Todo incredibly flexible and usable wherever value is expected. Todo can be used in various expression contexts. In the first example, we use Todo within a when expression. If the status is pending, Todo is called with a message. The nothing type allows this because it's compatible with the string return type expected by the when expression. In the second example, we assign the result of Todo directly to a variable. Even though data is declared as type string, the compiler accepts this because nothing is a subtype of all types. Remember, these lines will throw exceptions when executed, serving as clear indicators of incomplete functionality.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.